ask you to do something, I'm going to tell you, then I'm going to make you.
You want to get out of here fast, right? So if we have more people, y'all been trying to something.
Here, sir.
I am superior.
In Harris County, Texas, Officer Leroy from the Police Department of Texas goes out his way to demand identification from black individuals, and he engages in racial profiling again. With this man, let's see how this situation turns out.
He don't even know my name and tell him I have a warrant.
What did he do?
That's what I'm saying.
For what?
For what?
From Louisiana.
For what?
For what?
Yeah.
I don't even live in Louisiana, so how would I have a... You don't know my name, so how can you tell me I have an open warrant in Louisiana?
Sir,
Stop.
Clarence, hold on.
Okay.
However, even after Evans declined politely, the officer still tries to cuff him.
In front of my house, and then I don't trust, because you shaking like you scared or something.
You're pulling.
Okay.
I don't trust you shaking like you scared.
He don't live in
No,
Louisiana.
I don't even live in Louisiana. How the hell would I have a warrant in Louisiana?
The officer then proceeds to profile him incorrectly and continues on thinking he's the correct suspect.
Quentin, you already said your name was that.
My name is not Quentin. What the is wrong with you?
Sir, his name is not Quentin.
Quentin.
Then let's see the ID and we'll be done.
Okay, hold on.
Just get different names. You woke up and told me 3 different names.
Hold on.
The third name you just... No.
Clint.
No, I'm not gonna be the next you kill.
No.
No.
Stop.
His name is not
My name is
Quentin.
not
Then
Quentin.
let's do this and be done. I got no probable cause. I got
You
your
just
picture.
stopped in front of my house.
Yes, I know who you are.
It's you know what's my name?
Give it.
Man, that. You shaking like you scared. I'm not gonna let you put me in handcuffs.
Please stop. Please stop.
My name is not no Quentin. You don't even know my name and tell me I got a warrant in Louisiana.
The officer then tells the suspect, I have a picture of you that shows you're my suspect.
Yes. You
Do I look like a...
You want me to
Show me the picture. Show me the picture.
Okay, wait.
Just walk with me.
Nah,
No, walk with me.
No.
Tell him walk with
Please,
me.
he's not going nowhere. He's not going nowhere.
I need your supervisor or
I am
somebody
the
else.
supervisor. Come on.
Well, let me see your stripes. Well, I need
Come on,
I need
let's
somebody
walk
over
in front of the car.
No, you're not
Walk
give me
in
to
front
your
of the
car.
car.
No.
Sir,
No.
sir.
With my yard on my property.
Calm
Stop,
down.
stop,
Just
stop.
calm
You
down.
stop. You stop.
Who are you looking for?
That's what
His
I'm
name
saying.
is not Quentin.
Quentin.
Let me see your
You
ID.
think I'm from because I got dreads or something?
No.
You just
Let me
pulled
see.
up in front of my house
What?
and told me I got a
Because you
warrant in
had a dog
Louisiana.
barking.
So what? That's my dog.
That's our dog.
You
That's our dog. Go in the house.
Look, man.
Sir, that's our dog.
Don't you touching me while you shaking. You need to step back and calm down. No, that. Like, you
Get my
crazy.
phone out of the car.
There you got him running.
Get my phone out of the
Calm
car.
down.
Here's the deal. Doesn't that look a lot like
No, that don't look like
That's
me.
not him.
What's wrong with you, man?
Calm down.
What you trying to say? Cause I got dreads and I'm black, that's me?
No.
That's not
Oh, you
him.
f***ing, she can see that's not me from
Oh
over
my
there.
God.
Head.
No,
That's your ID.
what?
Stop. You got no problem?
My name, you ain't got no You ain't, man, fuck
No,
this shit.
please
Look,
stop.
Two of y'all is gonna take over.
Please stop. Please leave him alone, please.
Look,
No, please. That is not him. Please leave him alone.
man, get out my
I
yard,
need to do a
man.
report on this. I need to do a report.
Nah, you need to get the out of my yard. You just said I'm somebody named Quentin. He got dreads and he black.
Come on.
What the is that?
Okay, come on.
Nah, fuck that.
Okay,
No, now you want to leave, right?
No, I want to do a report on this.
Nah, you need to get somebody here that's over you because you just made the biggest mistake.
Why?
How the you pull in front of my yard because I'm black with dreads and tell me I got a warrant?
Okay.
You
No, he just
racist.
said my kids was out.
Now we've got an 18-year-old black teenage girl who was simply walking down the road when she got stopped and detained by a deputy from Kaufman County.
How come you're crying? And you're barefoot?
I'm just trying.
Where do you live at? What's your address?
I want to go.
Okay, well,
I want to go.
hold on, okay? You're not in trouble, but you gotta stay right here.
Teenager tells the deputy that she wants to go home, but the deputy don't allow it. Instead, he says, "You cannot walk away from me." Then forcefully grabs the teenager and repeats, "You cannot walk away from him."
Get off, okay? 'Cause you gotta stay right here, okay?
Okay, why are you hurting me?
No, I'm not hurting you.
Okay, can I call my
You
mom?
can't leave. How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18? Where's your mom live?
Can I call her? I don't want you to hurt
You can't
me.
walk off. I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? But
I
you
don't
can't
want you to hurt me.
you can't walk off like that, okay?
I don't want want you to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? I'm
Okay,
here
get
to
in
make
the
sure
grass.
you're okay. You can get in the grass, that's fine. So we got a call that you were jumping out in front of cars, so
No,
I
I
can't
wasn't.
let you go walking off on
Okay,
me now,
can I
okay?
go home?
Well, where do you live?
I want to go.
Okay, so you can't go anywhere, okay? You gotta talk to me, okay?
Let me call my sister.
The teenager tells the officer she needs to call her sister and tells the officer, "You are hurting my arm," and continues to cry.
I don't want you to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? Okay. Stop pulling away.
I don't want you to hurt me.
If you keep pulling away, I gotta put you in handcuffs, though. Okay? Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. Okay?
No, you're hurting me already.
Wait, all right.
You're hurting me already. You're hurting me.
Just sit down. Sit down, okay? Sit down, okay? Sit down, okay? Look, I'm trying not to hurt you. I gotta just sit down, okay?
You're hurting me already.
Sit down, okay?
The next thing that happens, the deputy forcibly pins the teenager to the ground. Then the teenager says, "I can't breathe," repeatedly crying out for help. The deputy then deactivates his body camera while she's pinned on the ground. Watch what happens next.
Why was your camera not on you while you were on top of my...
The mother questions the officer on why was his body camera not on him while pinning her daughter on the ground.
There you go. We're walking back over to this car right here.
Okay, can you loosen it?
We'll adjust it in
As
a
the
minute.
mother asks the officer loosen the cuffs, the officer is walking the teenager back to the police vehicle. The mother tries to intervene, where she is then taken to the ground and arrested.
And I didn't touch you. I touched my daughter when she said they were too tight. I did not touch you.
You were pulling your daughter away.
I wasn't pulling her away.
You were.
Sir, was I pulling
got
her
that
away when I told you to could you loosen the cuffs? Was I pulling her away? I was just touching her to calm her down.
And when I moved you back, you reached out and hit me.
No,
okay?
you pushed me.
That I did. I pushed you back. You can't be holding on to her like that, okay?
The deputy has been put on authoritative leave after the incident.